Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm back with another video. In this video I'm gonna be unboxing a tripod which I happened to got recently, and this is the tripod. It's from Jolly Cam, and by all means this is not a sponsored video. So I just purchased this and decided to make video about it because it's a pretty good quality for the money. So I bought it for $85. It was on Amazon, listed with $84.99, and there was a coupon also with the $8 coupon, so you get $8 discount as well. And lucky me, in the box I found another coupon, like they sent me, and they said if you review our product on Amazon, and they said if you review our product on Amazon, you will get even $30 gift card, which I got already, and I'm pretty happy about it because then the cost literally reduced to almost $40 for this tripod, which is quite tall. It's very tall. I think it's 80-inch tall tripod, and it's aluminum frame, and it also has a capability that you can use this tripod as a single monopod, which is pretty nice. That's what I need for 2-in-1 feature. And also they have include this another adapter to increase its height, which is crazy because it's already pretty tall. So let's open the tripod and show you guys what it is. And it's quite windy outside today and it's cold, but so here's the tripod, and as you can see, and it has a clicky mechanism right here, if you can see this one. So you can set those legs down, and they have a pretty good resistance as well with the legs, so when you are adjusting the legs. So there is one hook underneath also, so you can add more weight to it if you wanted to stay more sturdy. So this is the leg that you can open and use it as a monopod. So you have to remove the top, which I will just reveal now, and it's pretty nice build quality, aluminum frame, and I really like the build quality of this tripod. As you can see, it's pretty nice, and it has a ball mount on the top, and it has an Arca Swiss plate mount which you can easily remove, and it's pretty convenient if you just use this plate with your phone or cameras. So you can easily remove this plate and install it, and it's pretty quick. As you can see, right now it's pretty windy, so it's moving. And this also right here, as you can see, this is for the top for the ball joint, and I'm pretty happy with this build quality. It's very nice, sunburn color, like it looks like oranges, and moves from the top. This is where you can release it, and moves very smoothly. So when you move your camera different direction, it's gonna be pretty smooth video. So it's not gonna be shaky. The one I'm using right now is the plasticky body. It's a very basic tripod, so when I move it sticks a little bit, so it's video a little bit shakes. So that's why I got this one. So let's talk about its height. Right now I'll put right next to me, and you guys will be the judge. So this is, I think, that the tallest one. No, not yet. Let's keep it close, this one, and I'm gonna open from here. And these things long run is gonna be pretty good. I know the other tripod with the clips is pretty easy to open and use them, but this one in the long run is gonna be good. So I think this is better compared to that if you are planning to keep your tripod for a longer period of time. However, I want to talk about the gift card they provide me. I cannot guarantee you guys you go and buy your own risk, because I'm not sure if they're gonna give to everybody. If they do, that's pretty good deal. So I was lucky I got $30 discounts for this tripod for just putting the review there, and I like the build quality, so why not give them a good review. So as you can see right now, the tripod is fully open, and this is how it looks right now, right? So you have ability to even increase, I think it's 4 or 5 inches height more, and I have an ability to can increase the height from here as well, which you will see right now. Look at this. So look at this height. It's pretty sturdy and a heavyweight tripod, and look at this height, guys. I'm almost 6 feet tall, like 5'11", and you can see the height of this tripod. If you want to see the full shape of the tripod, how it looks, I can show you that as well. And you can also use this tripod different directions. So you can put this down and then put the weight here, and it will be more sturdy. So I'll keep it up here. You guys enjoy the video, and I want to show you guys how it's gonna look when I use my camera on it. So let me switch my camera, and then I'll show you how it looks while I use my camera on this tripod. Alright guys, as you can see, this is how it looks on the camera looks on the tripod. As you can see, this is pretty smooth movement with this tripod. I really like because sometimes I do a bird photography, so for that I need this ball joint on top of the tripod, so when the camera is on the tripod, so I can easily move my camera up and down and follow the bird along with my wireless flying. So that's a pretty good plus with this tripod. That's the reason I bought this, and I hope you guys like the video. And if you want to see, if you have any question about this tripod or any other product that I reviewed, do let me know. And the mic I'm using, I will soon make video about that also. This is a wireless mic I bought, I think almost 2 years ago for $40. So, and it's still holding up. I did not use as much as I should, but as you can see the quality, you can also check the audio quality. I will do a little bit post processing to remove the background noise because it's very windy, but I think for the money, this mic holding pretty good. So I'll make video about that, so stay tuned for that, and do subscribe my channel for more videos, and I will see you guys in the next one. If you have any question about this tripod, do let me know in the comment below, and yep, I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, peace out. Allah Hafiz.